Go get her. Go get her.
Oh my gosh, Hook.
Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. She runs sideways a little bit.
Oh, she's so
Dog
cute.
park. Are you pooping?
Oh no, is she pooping?
Are you stuck? Can't tell. I need to take her out, take her diaper off. She sometimes gets stuck because her back legs give out, so she can't get herself back up.
Oh my gosh, how adorable. Whoops.
Rudy, get her!
Oh, she does look like a kangaroo, doesn't she?
Kangaroo.